Okay, community, so we're back, and today we will find another two amazing reviews. So let's start. As usual, our friend, everybody already noticed that this product is amazing. So I mean this product, right? Okay, let's see. Okay, so we have a Bezos iPad holder. Now the second one also iPad holder, and we have another small packages. Let's see what's inside this package. So we have here tags, Xiaomi tags. I will put it on my earphones and on my wallet, and we will see how it works. So as you see, small, handy. Okay, so this one. Okay, so we have here a new generation of iWatch holders. So basically it's working like this with a magnetic field. So very, very useful. I hope it will be a good product for my watch. Okay, so we have the tags, and we have the amazing iPad holder, black classic. I didn't want something else. And we have the Bezos magnetic case. So I don't need to show this, but I can show this. So this is one of the best products available right now for iPads. Classic holder, amazing done, very high quality product. Let's see. Okay, classic. Little bit stickers, and a classic iPad holder with, yep, amazing. I think it's a plastic that needs to be removed, but we will review it later. Okay, so we have this amazing magnetic holder. You know what, we don't have this. And we have the tags, and we have the iWatch, and we have the tone, and we have the phone holders, and last but not least, I totally forgot about this. Okay. So we have here a mouse for a PC. I really wanted something that will bring me something unique, more unique experience. So I hope this will be an answer. So we have here a mouse. Okay, looking very classic, amazingly done. So it will be like this. The hand will be moving in very unique way, and we have here a USB. So I think it will be a very big value to us, to me especially. So guys, I hope you enjoy. Until next time, okay? Bye bye.